Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to tackle the main reasons on why your Whirlpool dishwasher may be leaking. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new part for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before we get started, note that the replacement videos for each of the parts mentioned today will be in the video description. Also, we have found it easier to conduct these inspections with the dishwasher uninstalled. Let's start by checking the door seal. The door seal is located here on the inside of the dishwasher's tub. Its purpose is to create a watertight seal between the door and the tub. If it becomes damaged or worn from age, water may leak and seep from the door during operation. Next, let's check on the water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is located here, behind the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher. It is responsible for managing the flow of water into the dishwasher. If it becomes damaged or cracked, water may leak or drip onto the floor. Also, a water inlet valve with an internal leak can cause water to leak onto the tub of the dishwasher while not in use. Over time, this can cause the tub to overfill and leak onto the floor. Now, let's check the seal between the diverter motor and the sump assembly. With access to the underside of the dishwasher, remove the two screws holding the diverter motor in place using a T25 Torx bit. Then, set the diverter motor aside and visually inspect the gasket on the sump assembly. If it is damaged or degraded from age or use, you will need to replace the entire sump assembly as the gasket is not sold separately. Next, let's take a look at the drain pump, which is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. It is responsible for draining water from the dishwasher. The drain pump can leak from the point at which it is sealed to the sump assembly, or it can fail internally, causing water to leak through the motor. If it is bad enough, water may leak onto the floor and the motor will need to be replaced. Now, let's check the circulation pump motor. The pump motor is located here on the bottom of the sump assembly. Its purpose is to move water through the feed tubes and spray arms so that the dishes can be adequately cleaned. Most commonly, the pump will fail internally, causing water to leak through the motor onto the floor. If the pump is leaking, it is bad and will need to be replaced. While inspecting the pump, also inspect the pump inlet grommet and any connected hoses for leaks. Finally, we'll check to see if the dishwasher is level. First, we'll check to see if the dishwasher is sitting flat from side to side and front to back, not tilting or visually unstable. If the dishwasher is skewed excessively in any one direction, it can cause the dishwasher to leak. To accurately level your machine, we encourage the use of a level. Place a level on the front edge of the tub, like this, to check it from left to right. Fully extend the bottom rack and lift it up and out. Then, align the level to a flat edge on the left or right of the dishwasher's tub to check the level front to back. If the dishwasher is tilted to one side, you can adjust the leveling legs to level it properly. If the dishwasher's rear is not level, you may need to use a few shims to help level it. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.